how to fix Minecraft launcher not downloading. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to close the Minecraft launcher altogether and you want to open up the Microsoft Store. So search for Microsoft Store, click on it, and right here make sure you are signed into the correct account. So you want to click on your initials, sign out if that's not the account that has Minecraft, and then sign back in. Once you have done this, the second step will be going into System Component Settings. Click on that option, and right here you want to find Microsoft Store. Click on the three dots, Advanced Options, and first you will have to terminate it. Then you want to click on Repair, and if it still doesn't work, you want to click on Reset. Now once you have done this, the last thing that we have to do is search for date and time. Click on Date and Time Settings. Right here, make sure all of these are checked. Then you want to click on Sync Now, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.